Hi everyone, in this video let us learn how to make a cube. For that I have considered a 4x4 square sheet, vertical folding, similarly horizontal folding. By doing so you will get a cross. Now half folding from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. First half the same way to this middle line. This middle line is here, so just half fold. Make sure the foldings are accurate to get the proper shape of a cube. The same way I have done for 6 sides because a cube has 6 faces. Let us learn how to assemble this. Let's start with the first one. Let this be the face. You can see the base is a square. The same way all the squares should appear and top also. Let us assemble. This you have to keep it like this inside this. So out of 6 faces, 2 faces we have got. The folding has to be perfect for the better fitting. Now the next color. In between these two there is a lock. So you got the third face. Now here one face we will keep. In between these two we have one more lock. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 faces we have got. Now we will lock this so that we get the proper shape. Now we will place one color here. For this we have the bottom one. You can fit this inside this bottom so that it will not come out, and fold it to the top. So these two foldings are very important, which will help the shape of the cube. Now total 5 faces are done. The last face we will keep it to the top. You can see these two places can be locked by inserting here and here. So this edge I'll insert here and the other one this way. After inserting, you are supposed to assemble it properly for the proper shape. So after assembling, just push all the spaces so that it will be proper cube. Thank you.